There's a door right there. We're trying to train them. It's supposed to shut at 8 o'clock. It will go down at 8 o'clock. One little girl, she's been going in and out because the misters are on the other side of that. Yeah. Final countdown. What is it? Okay. It should be going down pretty soon. Don't distract me, squirrel. I'm trying to film a squirrel. Squirrel. So we got these chicken coop doors, and we're trying to get them used to them. So when winter comes, we can feed them the night. Oh, she's sitting right there on it. Girlfriend, that's gonna shut here in a minute. I get to watch this. But we're trying to get them used to the doors for wintertime. So on really bad days, we can put the food out there the night before. And it's going to be raccoon proof and all that kind of stuff. And the door will open in the morning on its own for them. And they can go feed themselves. Oh, there goes the door. It went down. Where'd she go? That means she crapped her pants. She's like, what the heck? Yeah, there you go. Now they're looking at it going, what happened? How'd that shut? Look at this little guy. They're just, they're mesmerized by the store. They're so funny. You gotta love squirrels. They're so precious. So Dennis built this thing to go over the mechanism. They have some expensive ones that go by the dusk to dawn, but I went with a cheaper, like a $30 one. We bought 3 because we're going to put them in different areas. There's a feeder out front we're going to put one on, but he built these. See that wood thing there that goes around it? That's to keep the squirrels from chewing it all up. So he made it to where just the mechanism, the door, goes up and down. Look at that little guy. That little guy's like, what in the world? The door's shut. That's so funny. So yeah, these are gonna be cool come wintertime, man. When we want to stay in bed, I can get the food out the night before, and we're gonna secure their feeders. I seen a raccoon go through that little area right there in the back, so we'll have to fix that up. You know. He's still looking at it like, how did that go down? Last night, I didn't catch it going down, but I seen after it had went down. I heard something, and I looked out there, and there was a squirrel just like this one. And she went to that corner there and looked around like, did somebody do that? How'd that happen? Okay. See you later, everybody. Love y'all.